St. Hilarion Castle, Kyrenia, northern Cyprus. The castle was built high in the mountains above the city of Girne. This castle is said to be the inspiration for Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty movie. At the same time, it remains one of the most well-preserved of all Crusader castles, mainly thanks to the work of the Northern Cyprus Department of Activities. Due to its location, the castle offers many wonderful views where on a clear day you can see all the way to the Turkish mainland. The name of the Hilarion Castle is about a hermit monk who fled from persecution in the Holy Land and lived and died in a cave in the mountains. The Byzantines first built a church and a monastery here in the 10th century, together with the castles of Kantara and Buffer when it was St. Hilarion built as a watchtower to warn of approaching pirates. The first mentions of the castle date from 1191. The lower part of the castle was used to accommodate soldiers and their horses. The central part of the castle contained the royal palace, kitchen, church and a large cistern. The upper part of the castle was separated by a gate with a courtyard in the middle. From the windows of the royal rooms, which are in the Gothic style, we have a panoramic view of the entire northern Cyprus. At the highest point of the mountain range there are royal apartments that are worth seeing, and it's worth climbing up here. This place is definitely worth a visit.